Hey there, fabulous friends. It's Amy, and I've got some more holiday magic to share with you guys. Are you guys tired of like shiny, glossy gift wrap and gift bags that just end up in landfills? Do you know the majority of that is not recyclable, even though we consider it paper, and it just piles unnecessary waste every single year? I've got a great solution for you guys. It's our eco-friendly, reusable, and also festive gift bag. Look how beautiful that is. This is our limited edition holiday gift bag. It's amazing for lots of reasons. Number one, it's sustainable. It's a sustainable option, more so than using like single-use bags, wrapping paper. It reduced plastic waste and the demand for tree-consuming materials, which is awesome. It's made from 80% recycled materials, so it's eco-conscious and very, very stylish. It also has BacLock in it, which is our micro silver agent. It stays fresh and odor-free and ready to use again and again and again. But here's the best part. It's not just a gift bag. It is an additional gift for your loved ones. With this festive bag and sturdy handles, right? And there's a blank gift tag, which is awesome, but they can use this over and over for grocery store trips, for traveling to and from grandma's house. This is just a really nice bag. It is definitely ideal for lots of uses many, many times, whether it's holiday gifting, birthdays, or really any special occasion. So to make it even better, you can write a personal message on this little gift tag here, which I love. And when it's time to refresh this, just wipe it out with your damp Enviro cloth and let it air dry, and that BacLock will do its magic. Now I'm going to cover some other products in additional videos, but there's some super awesome holiday items from Norwex which complement this very nicely, like Norman. How cute is that? We also have a matching basic set, which is our limited edition holiday window cloth and Enviro cloth. We have our gingerbread spice foaming hand lotion, and that was the hand soap, hand lotion and hand soap. So lots of different ideas for you to do gift giving in a sustainable, eco-friendly way. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.